This is the budget security camera that I bought from Temu for $3.50. Stay tuned as I unbox and will show you actual footage from this camera. In the box you'll also receive a quick manual, some screws and a charging cable. The app you'll need to use is called iCam 365. In the description I'll leave a link to the Android version. This camera uses a normal USB to micro USB cable. It's powered by an adapter which uses wall power. I've also powered this camera using my power bank. At the bottom you've got an option to reset or use a micro SD. Open the app, sign in and click on the plus sign.
Please scan the QR code on the machine body.
You'll be asked to scan the QR code found on the camera. Once the camera has been added, you'll be able to see a live view and pan the camera to your left, to your right, up and down. You'll also be able to listen in and talk through the camera. This little camera is great value for money. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching.